I'm Chef Lorious. Today in the Love Lab, we are making glazed carrots in the air fryer. You guys, I'm in love with my air fryer, and you guys love the air fryer videos I'm putting up, so I'm gonna give people what they want. So let's get into these carrots today. Let's cook. You guys, there's really not a lot of ingredients in glazed carrots. Carrots and glaze, about it. Okay. Anyway, we're using these carrots today. These are baby carrots-ish, kind of in between. They come nice and peeled with a little top. You know, somebody said they look like Bugs Bunny carrots. I think they do, little Bugs carrots. Anyway, we're gonna take some butter, a little brown sugar, and a little bit of chili powder, because y'all know how I like chili powder. And of course some salt, just to bring the flavors out. So I've melted a stick of butter here, and right here I've got about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, and I'm just gonna put the brown sugar in, and if you're thinking, oh, that's sweet, well, yeah, they're sweet glazed carrots. Now, if you don't want them this sweet, then just put less brown sugar in, okay? See here? I'm just gonna mix it up real good, like so. And then take a little bit of this chili powder and put in here. I'm only putting about 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. At least that's what I think it is. It might be a little bit more, but who's counting? But as much as you like it, if you want these to be hot, you can also add a little cayenne pepper to them, or if you want them smokier, just add a little paprika. You kind of can do what you want. Put a generous pinch of salt in here because the salt is going to help the flavors come out. Oh yes, see that? I'm telling you, this is so easy. This air fryer has changed the game, y'all. Here's our carrots. We're going to take our sweet sauce, our glaze, and we're just going to pour it directly on top of these carrots like so. We're going to toss them around in it. See that? Just so that everybody is tossed in the glaze. Okay? And then we are going to prepare, I'm going to turn this one. We're going to get ready to put these in the air fryer. Now, we're going to put these in a dish in the air fryer. So this is my air fryer basket, and this is a dish that is safe to cook in the air fryer. This can go in the oven, the microwave, any dish that's safe in those can also work in your air fryer. And a lot of times we don't realize we can cook with cooking dishes in our air fryers. You can do that. So I'm going to take these carrots, put them in here, and I'm going to show you why I'm doing it in the dish in the air fryer. Since they're going to be glazed, I really want to create a nice sauce at the bottom, a nice little juice of that glaze, you know what I mean? Yeah. And so that's why I'm cooking it in the dish. Ooh, turn this little Bugs Bunny around so that that sauce can collect on the bottom. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? They're cute, and it's okay if they're on top of each other. We're not trying to make these crispy, right? So when we're crisping things in the air fryer, we want one layer. But we're not trying to make these crispy. That doesn't mean we overcrowd it, but you know, we don't have to be as there we go. Pour the rest of that on there. I hope you like sweet carrots. I do. I've been glazing carrots since I don't know when I glazed my first carrot. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this chili powder on there because y'all know how I do. I can't leave, I can never, ain't nothing coming out. I can't never leave well enough alone, can I? There we go. All right, a little fresh pepper, just a sweet. All right, and this is gonna go in our air fryer at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes, okay? Then we're gonna take it out, we're gonna check them, maybe toss them a little bit, and put them back in for another 10 minutes until they're soft and tender and we can get a fork through them. All right, let's get these in the air fryer. So our carrots have been in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Look at this. You see how they're cooking up so pretty? Look at that glaze getting in there. They're getting a nice coating. I'm just going to toss these again so everybody gets some of the love. I don't want anybody to feel left out. See that? And I'm taking a toothpick and I'm just going to stick it in to see. See, they're not quite done. It should go through easier than that, okay? See? So we're gonna put these on for about another 7 to 8 minutes, maybe as much as 10, depends on your air fryer and how it goes. And then we'll check them and we'll be ready to eat some carrots and get some good vision. And here are our carrots. They are ready. Look at how yummy they look and beautiful. And you see we've got that glaze at the bottom. That's exactly what we wanted, you guys. Oh, can't wait. Here's our toothpick, look. See? Firm, but not hard. Just what we wanted. So let's go ahead and first of all, let's taste one and then let's put them together. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. This looks so delicious. It's so pretty. This would be perfect with a nice dinner, a steak dinner, or anything. Oh, just lovely. Perfect. Just a little hint of sweetness from the brown sugar. And you know, carrots are sweet anyway. So you got a little sweet with the carrot and a little sweetness from the brown sugar. Not much kick from that chili powder, just a little bit of flavor in there. It's really doing a nice job being very subtle. You guys, this is such a great, easy, quick recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and put these up in a pretty bowl. Oh, I think I just lost the top of a carrot. Look at that. Oh, these are just lovely. And you see why we went ahead and put them in a dish inside the air fryer? Because we have all this extra juice on the bottom that is just a delicious glaze for these carrots. I love sweet carrots. Oh yeah, look at that. Is that not beautiful? The colors. And then we're gonna take the last of that little glaze and see, is it too hot? Ooh, get my other mitten. Not trying to burn myself. And just like so. Hope you can see that, guys. Let me change directions. There we go. Pour that glaze on there just like that. Okay. And we'll dust it with a little bit of chili powder for good measure. There we go. And voila. Sweet glazed carrots in the air fryer. Look at that. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's a quick, easy, healthy recipe. Trust me, the kids will like it. There's brown sugar in it. All right, have a great day. I'll see you next time for more Calabama cooking. Happy cooking.